All right, so question number 4 in your chapter 4 homework gives you a total of 4 different balanced chemical reactions. The first of which for me was 4C plus S8, and that's going to yield 4CS2. Anytime you're presented with this, it never hurts to just kind of recalculate and say, is this balanced? This one's pretty simple. There's 4 carbons. Here's 4 carbons. There's 8 sulfurs, and then there's 4, and there's 2 in each of those. So that's a total of 8 sulfurs. So we're good there. Oopsies, got to rewrite that. So 4 carbons plus S8 yields 4CS2, and then it provides you with, well, 1.7 moles of, let's go with C. The question is asking, we need to determine the amount of CS2. And in a hypothetical situation like what's provided here, where you are only told about one of the reactants, it is appropriate to look at the other reactant and say this is in excess. So if we have 1.7 moles of carbon and blank moles of CS2, you can look at this and say, well, what's our ratio of C to CS2? Well, the coefficient in front of that carbon is 4. The coefficient in front of CS2 is 4. So that's basically, for our purposes, a 1-to-1 ratio. But if you want to do the math, you can go ahead and say 1.7 moles of carbon. Now, that's the amount that I've been provided with. Then what we know is the ratio from our balanced chemical reaction. 4 moles of carbon yields 4 moles of CS2. We did not deal with the S8 because of the fact that, well, it's in excess. It wasn't mentioned. We had no information about it. Now, 1.7 times 4 divided by 4 is 1.7 moles of CS2. That's a 2. And that's all there is to that sort of question. I hope this was helpful. Have a good one.